3 класс, английский язык. Домашнее задание. Счастливая семья. Страница 30-31. English. Spotlight 3. Homework. A happy family. Page number 30-31. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I am so glad to meet you. Thank you. I am glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 30. A happy family. Exercise number 1. Listen and repeat. Счастливая семья. Послушайте и прочитайте. The Shine Family. Grandmother Meg. Grandfather Harry. Father Peter. Mother Sarah. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Chit chat. Who's Meg? Your grandmother. Поговорим. Who's Meg? Your grandmother. Who's Harry? Your grandfather. Who's Peter? Your father. Who's Sarah? Your mother. My dear friends, do exercise number 3. Look, read and say. Посмотрите, прочитайте и расскажите. What is it? It's a toy soldier. What are they? They ballerinas. They yellow. What are they? They're bots. It's pink. What is it? It's a ballerina. They blue. What are they? They're masks. It's green. What is it? It's a frog. They're red. What are they? They're puppets. They're brown. What are they? They're rocking horses. House, houses. Driver, drivers. Shop, shops. Boy, boys. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 31. Exercise number 4. Read and choose. Прочитайте и выберите. Hello, I'm Paco. This is mother and father. Their names are Sophia and Carlos. Hector is my big brother, and Anna is my little sister. This is my grandmother, and this is my grandfather. We are a happy family. My dear friends, do exercise number 5. Now write about your family. А теперь напиши о своей семье. The answer. This is my family on the photo. This is my mother. Her name is Ilza. And this is my father, Victor. I have 2 little brothers, Vasa and Misha. They are 10 and 3. And this is my big sister. Her name is Lisa. She is a student. And this is me. My name is Katya. I am 9. I'm in the year 3 in the school. We are a very happy family. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 6. Let's play. I am Grandmother Blue. Who are you? I'm Mr. Green. Давай поиграем. I'm Grandmother Blue. Who are you? I'm Mr. Green. Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Good morning, the best to you this morning. How are you? How are you? I hope you're feeling fine and happy all the time. Good morning, the best to you this morning. How are you? How are you? I hope you're feeling fine and happy all the time.
My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.